Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've done a video that's showcasing my Jeep Wrangler. I thought I'd take you on a walk around and show you what I've done since my last video. If you follow my videos, the last one I did I think was the paint job, and if you remember, the hood was all completely oxidized and I repainted that, and it had some hail damage, had a bunch of chips in the front end up here, so I got all that all fixed up, repainted the fender flares. And then since then I've put a 3-inch suspension lift on it. I went with the zone lift. It's got the hydro shocks. And then I also did 3/4 inch spacers up front right here. I bought those off of Craigslist. And I didn't do the spacers in the rear. I only did them in the front just because I don't like the natural rake that a Jeep has, and so this leveled it out. And I'm running 33 12.5 tires on here, on a 1510 wheel, so it gives it that deep dish kind of old school look to it. So in addition to the suspension lift, I also went with a TerraFlex steering stabilizer and a JKS adjustable track bar. I also installed the brand new best top soft top, which obviously is in the down position right now. I typically run full hard doors, but I'm running my half doors right now as well because it's springtime and the weather's nice. So today's project, I'm actually going to get rid of these 12.5 inch wide tires. The problem I have is when I'm going down the road, they tend to pull me all around and have a lot of feedback in the steering wheel. And so what I'm doing, I'll walk you around to this side. I actually bought these JL wheels and tires. This came off of a brand new Rubicon, and they had 70 miles on them, and I bought those off of Craigslist. I spent just about $1,000 on them. Again, brand new. They still smell brand new. Those are rough country. They are hub centric. Everything bolted up really nicely. So here's a look at the side view. I think it gives it a little bit more modern look. And ultimately the goal is to have a better ride quality. Have it track down the road a little bit better. It'll probably be a little quieter too with these all-terrains. So I'm going to finish off the driver's side today, and thanks for watching.